This is Matt with Heritage Tractor. I'm going to show you how to engage and operate MachineSync. So we're set up on the combine, we're set up on the tractor. You see the operational zone, the pink box there. I'm going to take off and enter that box. We have the green light that says we are ready. I'm going to hit my resume button. You'll see that it turned blue and we are acquiring the home point. You hear that tone? We are now tracking. We are locked to the combine's movement. The combine can nudge me forward, just like he did. He nudged me 3 foot forward. Those increments can be changed in the advanced settings. He can nudge forward, backward, side to side, whatever he needs to fill the cart. One thing I'll recommend is whatever speed the combine is going to go, say 4 miles an hour, you want to set your speed to double that so the tractor can achieve that speed. If, for example, if the combine's running 4 and you set the tractor to 4 and he tries to nudge you forward and your set speed is 4, you're not going to be able to get to the correct location that he's moved you to. So I recommend setting your set speed and your RPMs where it can achieve a speed double of what the combine is running. So anytime he nudges you forward, you're able to achieve that position. And then to disengage MachineSync when your cart is full, all you have to do is grab the wheel. You'll see MachineSync disengaged, and then you have manual control.